Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Microsoft Dynamics 365 lead capture pages, complete guide step by step clearly. To update Microsoft Dynamics 365 lead capture pages, begin by logging into your Microsoft Dynamics 365 account. Navigate to the marketing section in the main dashboard. Select the lead capture option from the list of features. Once in the lead capture area, find the lead capture page you wish to update. Click on the page to open its settings. Review the current settings and content of the lead capture page. To make changes, locate the Edit button and click it. Update the title to reflect any changes in your offerings or focus. Modify the content text to ensure it is current and engaging. Adjust any fields you have on the form, such as adding or removing questions. Check the design settings if you want to change the layout or appearance. Ensure that branding elements like logos and colors match your current marketing standards. Save your changes by clicking the Save or Update button. Preview the updated lead capture page to see how it looks from a user's perspective. Make any additional adjustments based on the preview. Once satisfied with the changes, publish the updated lead capture page. Verify that the page is live by navigating to its URL. Test the lead capture form to ensure that submissions are being recorded correctly. Monitor the performance of the updated page over the coming weeks. Consider gathering feedback from users or team members for further improvements. Regularly review and update your lead capture pages to keep them effective and relevant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.